we hold it down or if I can ask staff questions. But I'm not comfortable with this motion, and I would have questions about the impacts of this motion.
Well, if that's the case and we're going to hold it down, then we'll hold it down because we are going to proceed ahead of that. If this was supposed to be a quick release, and if it isn't, then it isn't, and we'll proceed with Woodbine.
Just in the interest of time, Mr. Mayor, I could speak to it in terms of clarifying the whole thing, or simply we can hold it down and deal with it till later.
Well, but if we do that, when we're just jump starting, and we've had people sitting here, some of them all day, waiting to deal with the Woodbine matter, and there's deputations on that.
This is a
No, I'm not
issue
challenging your right to raise any question you want. I'm just saying I'm not going to treat it as a quick release item if it isn't.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but I don't mean to be problematic, but it's,
That's fine.
Yeah.
I'm due in East York at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I have until then.
I can release.
Pardon, all right, Councillor, Deputy Mayor Brendan Wong has a release.
Yes, 7.8, Councillor, on the naming policy for streets. I've looked at Councillor Ainsley's amendments. I'm fine with them.
Okay, well, I still haven't read it, but I'm inclined to take your word for it. If you've read it, it's just a lot. It's just a lot of type. That's all, and I hadn't had a chance to read it at all. I mean, because on the screen you can't, and I don't have the paper.
You want to hold it down and read it yourself?
No. Yeah, I had it. Well, here it is. Here now. I have it now. If you just give me 1 minute, because we have.
Fair enough.
Now, what was that meaning we didn't do? That was it for now, I guess, eh? Okay. I promise what I'll do, Councillor Ainsley, is when we're having, I'll double, what do you call that, multitask and have a read of it just when we're getting started on this next time. But I just think we should get started on it, and then I just want to read it. I just haven't.
A point of order,
Yes.
Mr. Mayor, on that item that you're 7.8, normally changes to an existing policy are underlined so we can spot the actual amendments to what exists. And I just noticed in this case, it is not underlined the key word I assume is Aboriginal, but throughout the document it's not flagged as the amendment.
All right. And I presume if you need to go and have a little visit with Councillor Ainsley, he could help you with the underlining. I agree it normally is helpful if it's done on the black lining, but if it isn't, that's fine. All right, let's go then. Is the next item then we have to deal with then the, what's the number of it?
We're going to wait for Councillor McMahon's motion.
Oh.
1 minute to update the number.
The timing motion, right.
So obviously 1 minute now that we've done those.
We need 1 minute. Well, then I can read Councillor Ainsley's. Councillor McMahon did it, and she's just getting the item numbers to apply the 3-minute rule to